Hey everyone, how's it going? It's your boy Justin Hazel here, and today I'm going to teach you the A7 chord. So first of all, make sure your guitar is tuned as best you know how. Okay, so first to start, I'm just going to quickly revisit the names of the strings here because it really helps to know where to put your fingers. So an easy way to remember the names of the strings on the guitar is a silly little acronym. It's Eddie 8 Dynamite, Goodbye Eddie. So E, A, D, G, B, E. All right, you have the low E and then you have the high E string. High because it's higher in pitch. Okay, and also if you're not too familiar, these right here are called frets. All right, so you're gonna have the first fret here, the second fret here, third fret, etc. For the A7 chord, okay, for this guitar finger position, you will put your middle finger on the second fret of the D string. Make it so that your finger is as curved as possible. Okay, your thumb is somewhere just right underneath there. All right, I will even show you. Okay, as best as you can. All right, because what you want to do is do this pinching motion here. Okay, it really helps to get that string to ring out and builds the strength of your fingers, okay? All right, so I'm just, oops, sorry. All right, as opposed to like this. Okay, it's good to have that space there right here between the palm of your hand and the neck of the guitar. Now I'm gonna skip over string G here and I'm gonna put my ring finger on the second fret of the B string. So remember, it's Eddie 8 Dynamite, Goodbye Eddie. So that's the B string right there. Okay, so I put my ring finger there and press it down. See if you can get it to ring out. All right. Okay, now you might need to give your hand a break and that's okay. It's okay, just kind of, and your fingertips are probably gonna start to hurt as well, and that's just kind of the part of the game when you're learning guitar. But the more that you play, even if you do 5 minutes a day, all right, it will start to strengthen your fingers and your fingertips and so on. Okay, so I'm going to form the A7 chord again using my middle finger on the second fret of the D string and then the ring finger on the second fret of the B string here. All right, so I'll hold it there for you to see. Notice how my fingers are curved. I am doing this pinching motion with my thumb and my fingers. All right, kind of this pinching motion. You're gonna strum from the A string all the way down. Okay, just, all right. Now, if you play the E string, the low E string accidentally, it's okay. It's not a huge deal, okay? On that note, with the pick, if you're wondering how to hold the pick, what I do is I take my pick hand, whatever strumming hand, do this kind of curve motion, put the pick like perpendicular like that, and then just put your thumb over it. All right, now you might want to adjust it a bit. Like even now, I'm just going to adjust it a little bit so it's a little more comfortable. And then form it again. Start with the middle finger, and then your ring finger on the second fret of the B string. Again, I will hold it there for you to see. Strum down, strum up, strum down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? Now, if the strings aren't ringing out, if it's like, sounds kind of like that, then it's good to just go through each string, starting with the A string in this case, okay? And then the D string, and string G, and then B, and then E, and see if you can get them to ring out. Now, probably realistically, if you're very new to this, it's probably gonna be more like this, and then, oh, I really gotta, Now, in order to get it to ring out more, again, think of that pinching motion. Okay, that pinching motion, just really pinch down. All right. Okay, now probably string G is probably your fingers might not be used to really getting out of the way of the other strings at this point. So if string G is not ringing out, probably what you need to do is curve your middle finger a little more. Okay, now just do the best you can. Don't worry, it's not going to happen overnight. So remember, the most important thing is to play consistently, or to practice guitar consistently. For example, 5 minutes a day, you know, give or take, roughly. You're not going to hit every day, but roughly 5 minutes a day on a given week is going to be way better than practicing, say, like 30 minutes on just a Saturday and then that be it. It's just going to be much more efficient. So do the best you can with that. For more awesome beginner guitar lessons like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified when I come out with another great guitar tutorial to help you pursue your guitar dreams. Okay, now for a fun little trick. It's great to be able to do little things that just make it sound fun, right? Make music with it. So one thing you can do, once you got the A7 chord set there, you can play the chord once, then say lift up, we'll just say lift up your ring finger, okay? And then play the chord again, okay? And then put back down your ring finger where it was. All right, so that can be pretty fun to just make music with, right? Going. Also, you could do both fingers. All right. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the lesson. Now you know how to play the A7 chord, the proper guitar finger position. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll do the best I can to get back to you. Also, if you really enjoyed my teaching methods and this tutorial, I would encourage you to check out my beginner guitar course that is geared towards beginner guitar players that are stuck in a rut or just feeling lost at how to progress in their playing. It's in the description below. The link is there. You can even preview a few lessons once you click on that link and see if it's something you might want to check out. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this lesson, and make sure to check out my other guitar tutorials as well that you may see in the recommendation list and so on. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.